just believe in yourself, okay? Like, just believe what your soul says, what your mind says, what your intuition is. It's probably 99.9% of the time right. Hi guys, hello and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. This is Shubhra Singh and I hope all of you people are doing really great. First thing first, wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. And yes, in today's video I am going to tell you guys how shall we talk to ourselves. We all know and we all have various approaches while we talk to somebody else, but then there are lots of people who do not know that we should talk to ourselves, and most importantly how we should talk to ourselves. So yes, giving you some tips and advices about how we should be talking to ourselves. Let's get into the video. So yes, point number one is positivity and affirmation. Now with positivity and affirmation, I mean that every time you talk to yourself, you address yourself, or you're introducing yourself, you have to do it with lots of positivity and affirmations. You cannot be talking bad about yourself, you cannot be talking negative about yourself, because your mind is processing it and your body is embodying it, okay? So that's the reason that you should be always speaking good things about yourself, because if you're talking positivity, your mind will reciprocate positive energy, and thus will your body, and thus will your life. Okay, it's okay to accept your mistakes, it's okay to accept certain flaws in you, but addressing it again and again or speaking about it again and again is only going to just create more of it. So whatever you are talking about yourself, you're just creating more of it. So it better be something good, it better be something positive, it better be something which is going to help you out. So yeah, that's it about point number one. Moving on to point number two. So point number two is being soft, being generous and complimenting yourself. Now by complimenting, I mean you can compliment your looks, your outfit for the day, or maybe something that you have done that you are happy about, and more than anybody else validating how you feeling, or what you should feel. I think it's you who is more important to validate your own self, to compliment your own self, to appreciate your own self, and be very soft and very generous with yourself. Don't be very harsh on yourself. There are people, like, we all make thousands of mistakes and we all have flaws, and don't be very harsh on yourself because you have certain flaws in you. So what? Like, nobody's perfect, okay? So even you don't have to be. So basically you have to treat yourself as if you're your own princess. That's about point number two. Moving on to point number three. Now point number three, it's not just for talking to yourself, but it is to maintain your sanity while you're talking to others. So basically point number three is say what you mean and mean what you say. So basically it's like आपकी बातें आपकी लक्ष्मण रेखा होनी चाहिए. So it's basically, if you commit to something, make sure you give your 100% to fulfill that commitment. Once you make a decision, don't crib about it or don't cry about it like यार ये मैंने क्या कर दिया, पता नहीं क्या सोच के मैंने ये डिसीजन ले लिया. You must have thought something. Be confident about yourself and tell yourself कि यार तूने कुछ किया है, कुछ डिसीजन लिया है तो सोच समझ के ही किया होगा. And stand by that decision as long as you can, like until you have the capacity to stand by it and until it makes sense. Stand by those decisions, okay? Just because there are few tough times, or just because you feel like things could have been easier the other way and that's why you want to leave this path. No, you have already come along. Like, all the situations in the past had come up to this point where you made the decision. So you are on the right track. And just believe in yourself, okay? Like, just believe what your soul says, what your mind says, what your intuition is. It's probably 99.9% of the time right. Now moving on to point number 4. Point number 4 is sort of a practice that you should do daily. That is, you should always say at least 4 nice things about yourself to yourself. Now what happens is, now when you talk good to yourself, you are showing your body, your mind, your soul some sort of self-love. Anything that is being loved will nourish, and that's the best thing. Like, you know, if you're just waking up every morning and telling yourself that, oh my god, look at you, you're so gorgeous, or I am so sure that I'm just going to rock this day, you know, and trust me, you will end up rocking the day, you will end up feeling beautiful. And even at the end of the night, if you just tell yourself, I'm just so proud of myself, the way I just went through the day was tough but I still made it, and I'm so proud of myself, you will be proud of yourself. It will give you more courage to face the upcoming day, you know. So now moving on to point number 5. Now point number 5 is never ever say things where you are disgracing or belittling your own experiences, your own decisions, or just yourself. You know, never go out and say, I could have been so better, but I just took a wrong decision, or you know, just saying like, I don't think I'm going to look good in that dress. Or you don't have to say like, I would have looked better, you know, if I had like thinner eyebrows. Mine are perfect, by the way. So yes, you don't have to go around and keep saying these things, because you don't have to, you don't need to listen those things. Okay, you have to speak good to yourself, and until unless you're speaking good to yourself, you cannot expect the other person to talk good to you, you know, to appreciate you. You have to learn to appreciate yourself, respect your own decisions for everybody else to do it. You have to be the first person of your own life. So yes, that's it about this video. I hope you guys find it helpful, and yes, happy Diwali, and keep sharing love. Bye bye, take care.